Hello students, welcome back to our second part of our learning video today, which is geometry series. So a geometry series is the sum of the term from a geometric sequence. So there is two different formula for sum of n term of a geometry series. We put a short term Sn. The first formula is when your common ratio is less than 1. So you are using a bracket 1 minus r power n over 1 minus r. Second formula, when your common ratio is greater than 1. So you are using a bracket r power n minus 1 over r minus 1. Why you have to use two different formula? Because we want to make sure the denominator is always positive. So for example, if you have r equal to 3, so if you wrongly use the formula, you use the denominator 1 minus r. So what is happening is you will get 1 minus 3. The denominator is negative, right? So you have to choose the correct formula when you calculate for sum of n term in geometry sequence depending on the common ratio. So as you can see, you can also get the n term by minus Sn with Sn minus 1. So for example, you can get the third term by minus the sum of third term minus the sum of second term. So let's just go to example 3. Find the sum to the seventh term of the geometry series. So first of all, we need to get the first term from the series, which is 1. The common ratio of this series is negative 1 over 2. So by using the formula of S7, since your common ratio is less than 1, your r is less than 1, so you are using the denominator 1 minus r. So by substitute all the value with the help of calculator, you will be able to get the answer of S7. Let's just quickly go into example 4. Find the least number of terms in the geometric sequence and series, which is 40 plus 100 plus 250 and so on, and must be added for the sum that exceeds 1005. Same that we have done every time. We have to get the first term, which is 40, and the common ratio, by dividing the second term and the first term, you will get 2.5. So now we need to translate this into in calculation. So sum to exceed 1500, so which means your Sn is greater than 1500. So we put the substitute value a and r into our formula. And if you notice that the example 3 and example 4, the common ratio one is r less than 1, one is r greater than 1. So we're using the correct formula, and when you simplify, you find that your n is in index. So how to solve for n in terms of index? You have to use log. Okay? So after further calculation, you will come to a point where your n is greater than 4.4177. Okay? And as mentioned before, the number of terms must be in round number. So you have to round up the 4.4 to 5. Although it's not up to 4.5, you still have to round up, okay? Not round down. So we will continue to the third video, to the sum of infinity. So thank you for watching our second part of learning video today.